Female fertility. Let's talk about some ways that women can naturally improve their chances of conception. Here are 3 tips to get pregnant naturally. If you and your partner are trying to get pregnant, one of the best things you can do is to understand the female ovulation cycle and time your intercourse accordingly. Being aware of this information can dramatically increase your chances of conception, though it should be noted that both you and your partner should be in relatively good health and know that you are fertile, at least at a minimum level. The first thing you must do is to maximize your natural fertility. Both partners must take steps to maximize fertility. Follow a healthy, balanced diet and regularly exercise. Women should avoid aggressive weight loss, detox, or crash diets because it's vital that the fetus has all the necessary nutrients if it's to successfully implant itself in the uterus. Be sure to take some key nutrients, especially folic acid, even before you start trying to conceive. The second thing you must do is understand that timing is everything. Timing is very important as the window for fertilization is relatively small. Once the female egg has been released from the ovary and begins to travel down the fallopian tube towards the uterus, it can only be fertilized in the next 12 to 24 hours. If you're aiming for this egg to be fertilized, you need to make sure the sperm cells are readily available. Therefore, it's important that the man should abstain from intercourse or masturbation for 3 to 4 days before ovulation is expected so that his semen volume is elevated. The third thing that you can do is to find your exact ovulation day using a daily ovulation test. This is usually a gadget that reads the results of urine strips which are used to detect an increase in LH. LH stands for luteinizing hormone, which triggers ovulation in the body. When the LH is elevated in the body, ovulation is likely to happen in the next 12 to 36 hours. The fourth thing that you should do, which significantly increases your chances of conception. Listen up, this one's important. You should make it your goal to achieve 1 or multiple orgasms during intercourse or manual fertilization. This is because your cervix opens up a little more with each orgasm that you have, and this allows your body to receive the sperm and become pregnant. If you are unable to have an orgasm alone or with a partner, and you are having trouble conceiving, you may need IVF or IUI performed by a doctor. To maximize your chances of getting pregnant, you must then have sexual intercourse the night before your likely ovulation day, then the morning of ovulation day, and again the night of ovulation day, and finally, a 4th time the morning after ovulation day. It's important to note that this amount of sexual intercourse may be quite rigorous for some couples. If this is true for you and your partner, then it's okay to have sexual intercourse the day before ovulation is supposed to occur and again the day after ovulation. You can also try having sexual intercourse on the exact day of ovulation. Those are some tips to help conceive naturally. We want you to have the best chance of conception, which is why we think our line of products is your best chance to get pregnant. Visit MakeAmom.com to learn more.